South Australia is growing, and road infrastructure is the lifeblood of this growth. A critical component of this infrastructure is the North-South corridor, and a vital link in the corridor is the Northern Connector. But how do we build more than a road? How do we build sustainable employment and strong local business growth? By engaging local industry partners to construct whole sections of the connector. By partnering with local businesses throughout the entire supply chain and sourcing locally produced materials such as steel reinforcement and concrete. By investing in training and upskilling the project workforce and employing apprentices and trainees. By leveraging Lendlease's extensive experience in bringing world's best practice to workforce participation. By establishing North Hub to connect to Northern Adelaide, bringing valuable employment and maximising benefits to the whole community. What will the Northern Connector look like? An iconic modern design that is bold yet sensitive to its position within the environment and local community. But it's more than form and function. Even key design decisions have been made to maximise community growth and involvement. How? By choosing a concrete road pavement which utilises local materials and manufacturing as an alternative to imported bitumen. By creating shared pathways which will be constructed using solely Aboriginal employees and Aboriginal-owned businesses. By building a seawall which will provide a training ground for new trainees. By establishing an on-site concrete batch plant utilising local plant and labour. By selecting precast concrete bridge girders which are produced at a local facility employing displaced automotive industry workers. And all of this will be delivered with an unerring commitment to safety, certainty of delivery and outcome, and a level of environmental sensitivity that will actually increase the natural environmental footprint of the area. The Northern Connector is more than building infrastructure. It's building Northern Adelaide. It's building South Australia.